Our bodies are marvels of biology, yet they perform actions scientists are still struggling to fully comprehend, sparking endless curiosity and wonder. There are phenomena occurring within us daily that defy simple explanation, proving our biological complexity far exceeds current scientific understanding. Today, we delve into the strange and unexplained, exploring astonishing facts about your own body that leave scientists scratching their heads. Imagine feeling a limb that isn't there. This is the reality for many experiencing phantom limb syndrome, a profound neurological puzzle. The brain still receives and processes signals as if the amputated limb is present, creating sensations like pain or touch. These sensations, whether pain, warmth, or pressure, are intensely real to the individual, a testament to the brain's persistent neural map. Scientists theorize it's the brain's body map creating a persistent echo, but the precise biological trigger mechanism remains elusive. The brain's remarkable plasticity allows it to adapt, but understanding phantom limbs helps us comprehend the very nature of body perception. Next, consider the placebo effect. How belief itself can trigger real physiological responses, a powerful mind-body connection. When patients believe they are receiving genuine treatment, their bodies can release natural painkillers, reduce inflammation, or even speed healing. The brain interprets the sugar pill as medicine, activating specific pathways that mimic the effects of actual drugs. This effect isn't limited to pills. Even a doctor's reassuring words or a healing ritual can prompt significant, measurable physical changes. It highlights the profound, yet poorly understood, impact of our psychological state and expectations on our physical health outcomes. Have you ever tasted a sound or seen a color when hearing music? This brings us to synesthesia, a fascinating sensory blend. Synesthetes experience a mixing of senses, where stimulation of one sensory pathway leads to involuntary experiences in another sense. For example, a person might taste specific flavors when hearing certain musical notes, or see colors when reading words. Neurologically, it's thought that sensory areas of the brain become cross-wired, leading to these blended perceptual experiences. While baffling, for many synesthetes, this merging of senses creates a richer, more interconnected, and vibrant perceptual world. Finally, consider yawning. We all do it, but the exact evolutionary purpose and complete physiological reason remain surprisingly debated. It's not just about being tired. Yawning can occur when awake, stressed, or even bored, suggesting multiple triggers and functions. One prominent theory suggests yawning helps cool down an overheated brain, similar to how a fan cools a computer. The deep inhalation might bring cooler air or blood flow to the brain, regulating its temperature for optimal performance. Yawning is also highly contagious, spreading rapidly through groups, perhaps as an ancient form of social bonding or signaling. Studies suggest a link between yawning contagion and empathy levels. Those with higher empathy tend to yawn more readily when others do. The precise blend of physiological and social factors driving yawning remains an open question, fueling ongoing scientific curiosity about this common act. These phenomena are just a glimpse into the vast ocean of biological enigmas that our own bodies present to us daily. From phantom sensations to the power of belief, our biology holds wisdom that science is still diligently working to decode. Each unexplained phenomenon is a frontier, inviting us to explore the boundless capabilities and surprising quirks of the human form. Our bodies continually surprise us, challenging our assumptions and reminding us how much remains unknown about our own existence. Why do eyes water when we cut onions, even though they aren't burning us? This reflex still holds scientific intrigue. Cutting onions releases compounds that irritate the eye's surface, triggering a protective tear response. But the intensity is still studied. Blushing, the sudden reddening of the face, is an involuntary response to social stimuli. Its evolutionary purpose is still unclear. Some scientists propose blushing signals honesty or remorse, acting as a universally understood nonverbal cue of social status. Our circadian rhythm governs sleep-wake cycles, but how exactly light signals the brain's master clock remains an area of active research. Light exposure suppresses melatonin, the sleep hormone, but the precise pathways and cellular responses involved are still being mapped. The trillions of bacteria in our gut influence everything from digestion to mood. but the full extent of their impact is vast and complex. The gut-brain axis is a real phenomenon. These microbes may produce neurotransmitters affecting our emotions and even behavior. Our immune system is incredibly complex, with T cells having specific roles that scientists are still uncovering for disease defense. Why we dream is still a mystery, with theories ranging from memory consolidation to emotional processing, but no definitive answer. One leading idea is that dreams help sort and store our daily experiences, solidifying memories from our waking hours. Alternatively, dreams might be a safe space for our minds to process unsettling emotions and work through complex feelings. Experiencing déjà vu, that strange feeling of having lived a moment before, is common but scientifically puzzling. Theories suggest it might be a brief neurological hiccup, a momentary glitch where the brain misinterprets temporal signals. It could be the brain mistakenly flagging a new experience as familiar, a misfiring in its memory recognition circuits. Goosebumps, that prickly sensation when cold or scared, have evolutionary roots in hair-raising scenarios we rarely face now. This piloerection reflex, caused by tiny muscles pulling hairs upright, may have once made our ancestors appear larger and more threatening. Though less useful now, this ancient reflex remains ingrained, a tiny biological echo from our evolutionary past. Beyond physical cold, music or intense emotion can also trigger goosebumps, a psychophysiological response with no clear singular cause. These unexplained phenomena are a reminder that our bodies possess a complex inner language that science is still learning to translate. From the subtle twitches of phantom limbs to the social signals of a blush, our bodies are full of fascinating, unsolved enigmas. These unexplained facts highlight the extraordinary complexity of human biology, constantly pushing the boundaries of scientific knowledge. The human body is a universe unto itself, holding wonders and questions that continue to inspire awe and scientific endeavor. From involuntary reflexes to subconscious influences, our bodies operate on levels far beyond our conscious control or full comprehension. The human body presents constant paradoxes. How can pain occur without damage or healing without direct intervention? These strange phenomena are the body's whispers, telling us stories science has yet to fully translate. Our journey to understand ourselves is ongoing, filled with discoveries that challenge our perceptions and deepen our fascination. With countless functions still not fully understood, the human body remains one of science's most captivating and complex frontiers. Every unexplained bodily quirk reminds us of the sheer wonder inherent in our own physiology, a marvel of nature's artistry. These aren't just facts, they are invitations to curiosity, reminders that science is a continuous process of uncovering the astonishing. Our bodies hold incredible secrets, and the quest to understand them is as fascinating as the phenomena themselves. What other bizarre body functions are waiting to be discovered? Subscribe and hit the bell to catch our next episode on Stranger Facts.